So we have to multiply some money here. So all we have to do really is to reorganize the original question into a format that we can actually use to solve. And also just forget about the decimal point for now. So we'll just go 7630. So keep all the digits and we'll sort out where the decimal point goes at the end. So 8 times 0, that's 0. That makes it nice and easy. 8 times 3 is 24. So the 4 goes here. 2 gets carried over to the next place value. 8 times 6 is 48, plus the 2 is 50, so the 0 goes down here, and the 5 is carried here. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 5 is 61, and so you're left with that. Now it's money, right? So you know that there's going to be 2 decimal places. You can also figure it out from here. There are 2 decimal places in the question, so there must be 2 decimal places in the answer. So should be $610.40. For the next one over, we've got $2.75. So again, we just rename it as 275. We're basically renaming it in this case anyway as cents, and we're going to multiply by 27, and we'll worry about the decimal place at the end. So 7 times 5 is 35, so the 5 goes here, the 3 gets carried to the next decimal place. That's the next place value. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 is 52, so the units goes here, the tens goes here, carries over to the next place value. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 5 is 19. Okay, so we're finished with the 7, so the 7 is now done. It's actually a 0 now, so put a 0 here. Now it's 2 times 5 is 10. So 0 goes there, 1 gets carried here. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So the 5 goes here, 1 goes here. And then 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we've got those 2 rows, and we just add those rows up. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 5 is 14, so the 4 goes there, the 1 gets carried. 5 plus 1 is 7. So we were talking about decimal places. There are 2 in the question. We also know that in money there are always going to be 2 decimal places. So 1, 2 decimal point goes here, and units of measurement, so it's dollars. So this is the final answer. And the last one over here again, let's just convert it. So take out the decimal point. So we have 95605, and that gets multiplied by 40. So let's keep that all simple. This will be all zeros, so you can put them in. 0 times 5 is 0, 0, 0 times 6, 0 times 5, 0 times 9. Okay, you haven't really accomplished much there, so cross that out, hold its place here. And then we do 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 2. 4 times 6 is 24, so 4 goes here. 2 gets carried to the next decimal place. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. The other 2 gets carried over. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 2, 38. So now we just add those rows. You'll see it is pretty much the answer right there, but we'll just go through the process. 0, 0, 2, 4, 2, 8, 3. Now we know there's 2 decimal places in the question. We know that money has 2 decimal places. So 1, 2, both zeros. Decimal point goes there. And that's the answer. You can also write the answer as 38,242 and don't write down the cents. Finished.